The S Pen is the mighty productivity tool that differentiates the Note series of smartphones from all the other smartphones out there. This year, the S Pen is getting upgraded with Bluetooth Low Energy, which means along with taking notes, you can also convert the S Pen into a remote control for your Galaxy Note 9. So in this video, we are going to tell you some cool tips and tricks to make out the most out of your S Pen on the Galaxy Note 9. So let's dive in. First up, do note that the remote functionality only works on the Galaxy Note 9 and the function is also turned off by default. So to turn it on, you need to go to settings and search for S Pen remote and toggle it on. With this, you can now control playback of media files, assign web browser controls or click a photo using the S Pen. Just assign single press and double press actions for the given apps and you are good to go. Additionally, you can also hold down the pen button to open a specific app from any screen as well. While in Air Command, scroll to the end and tap on the plus icon. Now edit the required S Pen features you'd like to keep in Air Command or simply add your favorite apps for quick access. Note that only 10 shortcuts can be kept in the Air Command menu. Screen off memo lets you jot down a note right from the lock screen. For that, simply pull out the S Pen while your phone is in idle state and instantly start writing down whatever there is on your mind. Once done, simply put the S Pen back inside and the note will be saved automatically. Don't feel like straining your eyes? Well, your phone can read out the text on the screen for you. From Air Command, select the Translate tool. Now from the Translate menu, select the option to read entire sentence and set both the languages to English and hover over the area which you want your phone to read. Adjust the selection and press the volume button that appears at the top left of the text and you're done. From the Air Command menu, select Screen Write tool. This will take a quick screenshot of the current screen and with this you'll now be able to quickly highlight, draw or crop the screenshot. When you're done, you can either directly share it or save it in the gallery. Live messages let you create your own personalized handmade GIFs that you can share across multiple messaging platforms. Once done, they are instantly saved to your gallery which you can share at any point you wish to. Smart Select lets you capture a part of the screen in a particular shape which you can then use to extract text, pin to screen or simply draw on it. Which means if you want to share a quick GIF from a funny video, then this is the best way to do it. Useful for times when you need to continuously reference to information. So say you have to jot down a note using Chrome for reference. First open Chrome and from Air Command use the glance tool. Then simply start writing and at the same time hover over to the small thumbnail that will now be present on the bottom right of the screen for a quick glance at the information without even leaving the current app. If you want to magnify a particular thing on the screen that's rather tiny, then simply use the Magnify tool from Air Command. Under this, by hovering over the S Pen over anything that's on your screen will magnify it up to 300%. To simply start writing instead of typing on the keyboard, hover the S Pen over a text field and then tap on the blue button that appears on screen. This will bring up the handwriting input menu instantly. With AirView, you can use your S Pen to preview information like text, images or web links by hovering over the screen. You can use it in the Gallery app to quickly see photos, thumbnails, or you can even hover over a link to preview a web page. If you are fond of drawing and coloring, then the Penup app that comes preloaded on the Note 9 is just for that. It is a social networking service where you can learn to draw via the live drawing feature. You can trace a photo, paint over it, and even share your drawing once done. Well, that's all for this video. Do let us know in the comments if we missed something or if you have any tips and tricks of your own. So thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.